This 2016 Winnebago View 24 volts is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk over cab. This 2016 Winnebago View 24 volts is built on a Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.